Greetings, fellow traders. Bubblehead here, and it's time for the Lunchtime Market Update for November 14th, 2019, and today is Thursday, and this is sponsored by Positive Trends Research. Before we get started, take a moment here to review the fact that everything that we always talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. All right. Well, I hope everybody's having a great trading day. So far the monthly chart, right, is on the SPX is still working its way to the upside. One of the things that we definitely want to keep in mind is the weekly chart, right, to see where we're at in relation to the upper Bollinger Band, right? So we can see here we have an upper shadow that's forming right now. Right now the S&P is down about 6 points after an interesting day so far. One of the interesting things is we are at an inside day, so it's another narrow range inside day. 13 points, not the most super narrow range inside day, but right now we're there, so we'll see how that ends up finishing. But we are still below. Now we are below this upward trend line, so without a new high, this is starting to look a little bit ominous, right, as we get here. So one of the key things here is we're still holding the channel of the geometric channel here that we've been looking at since the early 2018 time, and so we are still holding that right now at this inside day. So right now the price action today, these are the levels that we give to all our subscribers. Of course, you guys look at that here. So took a quick 15 orb up this morning, couldn't quite get to our short-term volumetric level, right, and then came back down, and finally there was some Hong Kong news today, and then it ended up flushing off of that, tested the prior day's open, and is kind of hanging out here right now around the weekly pivot level, right? So it's a very important stuff there. So what have we seen today so far? Some of the big ones, right? We had Walmart today, had earnings that came out. So big 15 orb breakdown on that one. Not surprised because it couldn't get over its pre-market box, right? So it reversed off of that. We also have Cisco. Cisco is another one with a quick flush off the open. A little bit of a move down here. It's starting to get back into the 15 orb range, so just be careful with that. Let's see what else we have today. A couple other great moves today. I mean, Tesla had a nice breakout move, consolidated a little bit here, a little bit kind of mini pennant between the 15 orb levels, and then a breakout there. Roku had a nice push, triple inside 15 right now, so we'll see if we can get over that resistance level. Again, all these levels are provided to the group, so we'll see how that works its way out. And then finally, Apple is one of the interesting ones today. So Apple with tried to hold the 15 orbs right here, put in a new all-time high today, and then just couldn't hold it after its downgrade, and now it's testing the pre-market lows. So again, this is the big support level from yesterday, so it's holding that right now. If it breaks down below there, we may start to see some more lows. Lots of Fed speaking today. Lots of different Fed folks are talking today. There's tweets today. There's the Hong Kong stuff. There's earthquakes. There's all sorts of stuff going on. So just take it easy today. Don't try to overtrade. We'll see if we get any other setups today, and hopefully we're good. I hope to see you guys on the market wrap later and on the free live stream tonight. And remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And I'll talk to you soon.